kept the lights on in the dark, even when we lost the spark. I learned your silence like a song, and sang it just to keep us strong. I fixed what broke before you saw. Stood tall when I felt small. I loved you loud, I loved you clean. I gave you everything I had in me. I'm not a saint, I made mistakes, but love was never what I faced. I did my part, I stayed, I tried, I held us up when hope was tied. I did my part, heart in my hands. If love was what I was your man. I did my part, night after night. If this falls apart, at least I know I didn't walk away from love. I bit my tongue, I chose my words. Let things go that still hurt. I carried weight you never felt, kept us first, ignored myself. I stayed when pride said let it end. I kept believing we could mend, but faith can't live on promises that never turn to action. A heart can only bend so far before it breaks without a sound. I did my part, I stayed, I tried, I fought for us with open eyes. I did my part, no alibis. I loved you real, I didn't hide. I did my part, I stood my ground. If this love dies, it won't be said that I gave up or let it down. Oh, there's a moment love goes quiet, not angry, not ashamed. When a man accepts the truth that effort doesn't change a heart that doesn't want to change. I did my part, now I let go. Not from weakness, but from growth. I did my part and that's enough. I gave you patience, I gave you trust. I did my part, so if you leave, remember this when you look back. You didn't lose a man who quit, you lost a man who loved you hard. Some men don't say much, they just show it. And when they stop trying, it's not because they stop loving.